kettle, right? Here's the kettle, right? Here we go. Can you hear the kettle going off in your mind? Can you hear the kettle? Do you criticize? I've been waiting on the coffee, there's not enough of me, and I don't know what to do. I'm staring into it. Press the button on the kettle, here we go. It's going off like a ticking time bomb in my soul. I'm waiting on the kettle and I'm waiting on the coffee. This fucking night's getting strange inside me. Waiting on the kettle, here we go. It's boiling up inside my mind and I don't know where to go. Waiting on the kettle and flicking it, here we go. Waiting on the toaster too. I got the toaster going off with the waffles, feeling so good. I'm a greedy motherfucker in my mind, trying to transcend my mind paradigm. Here we go, I'm stuck in my flat. What the fuck's going on with the waffle? Pop it up, here we go. Pop the waffle up and put it back down. It's not done, I need to wait around. I'm a cattle motherfucker waiting on my waffle, make coffee with my digestives. Gotta do something now, cause I'm quite hungry. Feeling kinda hungry, waiting on the kettle. Fancy that, I'm a motherfucking devil waiting on my coffee. There's not enough of me, I got digestives to transcend my mind. What am I going through? This kettle's getting pretty strange and it's not anything I ever seen before. I close the door, turn the kettle on, just to transcend. Waiting on the kettle water, here we go. Can you hear it boiling up? And if we keep on the kettle, what about the microwave? The microwave's getting pretty cool. Microwave, here we go. The microwave's going, and I'm dancing to this in slow motion to the microwave tune, and the radiation is going up in my mind like an atom bomb, and I don't know what I find. Don't cook in the microwave, you might lose your mind before you get to the other side. I don't know the moon. It's a moon mission going through a microwave. I don't know what the fuck bird's eyes on about. There's in the waffles that don't need to be toasted. What the fuck's become of me? Turn the microwave off before it blows up and we have an atom bomb explosion. Nagasaki motherfucker, Chinese guy running around. What the fuck's become of man? What the fuck's become of my mind? I need to turn the microwave off this time. What the fuck's become of my mind? This microwave going around my mind. What the fuck's become of my mind? This fucking microwave put my head away. What the fuck's become of my mind? I'm a kettle toaster microwave guy. Setup toaster, microwave guy, waiting on the coffee and the digestives now. Dipping the digestives in the coffee. What the fuck's become of me at this point? Going round like a microwave child, waiting on the microwave ding ding. Here we go. Microwave child, and he's making something to eat. He needs to survive it. Oh fuck. The microwave is fucking dinging, man. The microwave is fucking dinging, bro. I don't know what the fuck to do.